it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. Hey guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm going to show you 3 makeup tips that I think every woman should know. Welcome to Makeup Tip Thursday. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. Okay, the first makeup tip that I want to actually give today is how to actually really line up your wing. You know, because sometimes people have, or they'll ask me, I've had a lot of questions where people will say, well, how do you know where to start your wing, your eyeliner wing? So what I do is, you can take the end of your liner, line it up from your nose to the edge of your eye, okay? And then right there is where you would take your felt tip, you know, just line it right up and mark it, okay? I already have marked mine, but you mark it right there. And that way when you start, you'll see the line and you can draw it that way. So that is tip number 1. If you want to achieve a flawless makeup application on your face, what I like to do is remove that peach fuzz. And you don't have to shave with a razor. I like to purchase one of these little razors, and you can purchase them at any beauty supply store. Even Sally's has these little razors. It has a little sharp little edge, and you just can go it across your face. I go upward in the opposite direction. If the hair is going down, I go in the opposite direction, and I just remove the excess. Just remove it. And removing it, I haven't had any problems with extra hair growing or you know, doubling in hair or anything. It's just, and I do this maybe once a week, once a week. I may just go across it, and sometimes once every 2 weeks. It just depends on the application, because sometimes if you're outside, you can actually see the hair reflecting off, the makeup reflecting off the hair. And that's not a cute look. You can really see a difference in how your makeup will apply. You will have a smoother, flawless, precise application. So that is tip number 2. I saw this one maybe a couple of years ago, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, and how to remove the makeup off of your teeth. Once you apply your lip gloss or makeup, whatever, even if it's a matte lipstick like this, I always, ever since I've heard about this, I've been doing it ever since. Take your finger, put it in your mouth, pull out. I know, please get your minds out of the gutter now. Anyway, yeah, take your finger. What happens is the lipstick, the remaining lipstick in this outer corner of your mouth will apply right on your finger. And you will pull it right out, and that's it. You won't have any lipstick on your teeth at all. I do it all the time, and I haven't had that problem since. Usually I would go out the door and I'm smiling with a bunch of lipstick on your teeth, which is so embarrassing. And I'm telling my husband, why didn't you tell me? I had lipstick on my teeth. So that is tip number 3. So I hope you have found this video helpful. And like I said, every other Thursday I am going to come out with Makeup Tip Thursday. And if you have any tips you want to share with me, please feel free to put it in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and love, guys. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.